Hi, in this video we're going to talk about pentatonic scales and using them over chord changes. In a minute here I'm going to play a improvised solo over Stella by Starlight using pentatonic scales. I wouldn't recommend doing this in an actual solo exclusively, but this will give you an opportunity to hear the sound of it. So let's get started with that, and then I'll talk about the different scales that you should know. Okay, so there I played over Stella by Starlight chord changes using pentatonic scales. What's so great about this is that you can think about pentatonic scales and build on it, add chromatic tones, or do any variety of things. But there you hear a very openness to the sound and pretty much inside. So you get 3 chord tones and then 1 non-chord tone, at least the way that I'm doing it there in the solo. But there are more advanced things that you can do as well. But this is about outlining chord changes. Please like and subscribe, and check out the member area here as well. All right, well, let's talk about the different pentatonic scales you should know to be able to do this. Okay, so here we have the major pentatonic, and we'll play this type of scale over a chord like C major 7, C6 9, any major chord that's not dominant. Okay, so here we have okay, so we want to know that, and then want to know it all over the neck, and be able to consider the inversions and things as well. Next up here, we have the dominant pentatonic, which we can use for any chord with a major third and a flat 7. And this one has a natural 9, so here we go. We can alter the dominant 7th in a variety of ways. I'm just going to go over one that's going to serve to help you outline the changes here. But this one will have a flat 9. Okay, so any chord that has a flat 9. Okay, and then we have the minor pentatonic. And we have the minor 6 pentatonic. This can be used for tonic minor type chords. Okay, now we have a sound that will fit the minor 7 flat 5 type chord. So it's a minor pentatonic with a flat 5. Okay, so those are a few pentatonic scales that you can use. It's not an exhaustive list, but it's few that will serve you very well and help you outline changes. Let me know how you're doing with pentatonics and leave a comment down below. Thanks for checking out this video. Hope you have a great practice session. I'll see you in the next one.